Hi guys, I don't feel like building a boat to get across to over there today. So I'm gonna time lapse it. 1, 2, 3, and scammer gets scammed. I obviously cut the video, but now the boat's done. It looks very awkward, so I invited all my friends. Ta-da! When is this ending? Yeah, why do we get tortured in every one of your videos? Can this end already? When is this starting? I'm so excited! I've been extra torturing Melon. Come on, guys, let's go! Okay, guys. With the power of editing, the deck is magically gonna appear in 3, 2, 1. Here's the deck. Let's continue walking. Oh no, we're gonna fall in. Help me. 3, 2, 1. Phew, not gonna fall now. Hey, we've reached the dead end. Stop it. Ah! You deserve in there. Ah! Help me! Help! Oh, Corn, I am coming. Back up. Thank you, whoever just saved me. Ah, shucks. It's me, the real Ning Ning. Just kidding, I tell him this. When I'm sick, of course. Let's get on. Ah. Kick. Shakalaka. Get away. Shakalaka again. Ooh, where are we going? South Africa, maybe? What? Is he so mad about the extra torturing? I'm hungry. Let's get a mini fridge. Oh, yeah, yes. Self-takeout? I have just built a mini fridge and we're sinking. Which means epic adding this thing montage before they all sink. I've added a 5th one, and Pumpkin is on the mini fridge. Get off of the mini fridge. That's enough torturing for one day. That's not all the torturing you're getting, Melon. Ooh, I think I'm gonna get some cereal from the mini fridge. Oh, there's cereal in there. Oh, my favorite brand. Wow. Hey, what's going on? I'm just getting some cereal. Oh, nothing wrong with that. I love a good cereal. But I seem to be stuck. Oh, good. You should be. Melon, that deserves 5 more minutes of torturing you next night. Oh, man. That deserves 5 hours of torturing tonight. Stuck. Oh, I got out. I love these cereals. What is happening? Why are the cereals making a weird noise? Anyways. I'm full now. I'm gonna put this back in the mini fridge. And lock the mini fridge. Alright. We'll get going now. What is going on? Oh. Let's unlock the mini fridge for now. Are you even legally allowed to drive a boat? No, I'm 9. Oh my god, we're all gonna die. Wait, it's floating. Oh, hold on, guys. It's a submarine now. Dive. That's lucky for you to say. Just let's all get in. Ow, hitting me, Melon? Seriously? What's gravity's fault? Who even is this gravity guy? I need to speak to him. Everyone tie yourselves to the boat right now. We're going underwater. What? Why? Tie? Yes, Melon, and if you don't want another... I'm just gonna walk to safety. You're stepping on me. Guys, my game just loaded and the boat's broken. I can't continue the video. I'm essentially gonna have to make a new video, a part 2. I don't like making part 2s, but I have to.